Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make meatballs with grape jelly and barbecue sauce. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready. You'll need a bag of frozen meatballs, a bottle of your favorite barbecue sauce, and a jar of grape jelly. This simple combination creates a delicious and crowd-pleasing appetizer or main dish with minimal effort. Let's get cooking. Now, let's get those flavors mingling. In a medium saucepan, combine the entire jar of grape jelly with the full bottle of barbecue sauce. Stir these two ingredients together over medium-low heat. Continue stirring until the jelly has completely melted and the sauce is smooth and well combined. Once your sauce is ready, gently add the frozen meatballs. With the meatballs in the sauce, it's time to let them cook through and absorb all that delicious flavor. Reduce the heat to low and let the meatballs simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes. Make sure to stir them occasionally so every meatball gets coated evenly and heats up thoroughly. Once they are hot and bubbly, they are ready to serve. These sweet and savory meatballs are incredibly versatile and always a hit, whether you're hosting a party or just need a quick, satisfying meal. You can easily adjust the sweetness or add a little kick with some red pepper flakes. For more great kitchen hacks and deals, including those fantastic leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, be sure to check the description below this video. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.